in last couple of lectures, we have seen definition of first order logic and some properties of the first order logic. Now we are going to say how can we write formal proofs for the first order logic, as we have seen the writing formal proofs for the propositional logic. So let's just remind ourselves what are the formal proofs and why we need them. Okay, so we also need formal proof system for first order logic, and we supposed to somehow able to show that a set of formula sigma implies a formula f. Okay? If that is the case, we have a proof for that. Okay, and similar to the propositional logic, we now again develop a system of derivations and we derive the following statements: sigma proves f. Okay? So same idea. We need proof rules for our proof system. So old rules will continue to work. So those set of rules which we saw in propositional logic still continue, and we need more rules for the quantifiers, and that is we will introduce. Let us see how do we develop those. So these are the old rules which we saw, and I'm not showing you equivalence and XOR rules, so let's ignore them for a while. And these are the basically the rules we saw in propositional logic. They will stay, and we will use them. We will introduce the following 4 rules for the quantifiers: for all intro, for all ln, exist intro, and exist ln. This is the same pattern we saw it for every symbol we introduce, for all, and, or, implication. So same pattern continues here. One important note: in our slides we will not going to explicitly show all the steps involving proposition rules. If there is some sequence of steps that involve only proposition rules and not our new rules, we will simply say proposition rules apply to these statements in the past.